Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Mani Maniac. Today I'm going to show you another purchase that I made from Red Iguana by April Ryan. She makes these really incredible practice hands. They look so lifelike. They're made of silicone and you can get them posable or not posable, so you can put the fingers in the way that you want them. I do have one of her full hands, so it comes in different sizes, so you can get like a full hand which goes to the wrist. You can get a half hand, which is just like to the here, and then you can get single fingers as well, which these are fantastic for practicing and also for creating sets that you want to take photos of. And that's primarily why I get them, those two reasons. Number one, obviously I'm always doing demos and I'm getting really tired of doing demos on my own hand and having to file off everything I just did. I really am tired of it. So I'm so excited this is here. It got here pretty quick. I think it was about 6 days to get shipped, and then the shipping was really quick. They're down in Southern California. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like. First of all, her packaging is totally awesome. It's this beautiful pink box with the gold embossed logo and marble little drawer, and it's nice because you can keep it in here. She does include little jewelry with it, so this is a ring to go on the finger. The one that I got that is the full hand, because it came with a matching bracelet that looks just like this. Obviously this is just a half hand, so it's just those 4 fingers. And I will take this out. And I love these. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. I love these because they're so lifelike. Look at them. Look at that. It totally looks like a real hand. You just get tips that you can put in and change out. And that way you can just practice over and over and pull them out when you're done. You can practice acrylic on here. You can use these with forms. I would suggest, if you do, to just wrap a piece of tape all the way around so the form has something to stick to, because the form obviously doesn't like this silicone, because you know, it's what we coat our pots and pans with to make non-stick surfaces and things like that. So that it doesn't stick very well, but you can use forms with them. There's a couple different methods. You can also, like, if you take a glove, put the glove on and just cut the tip off, then you can stick the form to the glove and just cut the glove so that it goes just around here, and that way the form will still stick and stay in place. So lots of little tricks that you can do, but I love this, and I bought a stand for it so it'll kind of just get held right here where I want to be working on it. And this one is a lot lighter. Obviously, if you have the whole hand and the wrist with the thumb and everything, it weighs a little bit more. I did get the posable version, so as you can see, I can move the fingers around and put it in different poses, or, you know, keep one finger kind of out of the way of the others if I'm working on something. So really, really great. And I'm very excited to be able to practice on this so I don't have to keep doing my own nails over and over again. It's also a lot harder to shoot and work like this. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, or any of the like, please hit me up down below. You know, I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'm glad you were here. We'll see you next time with some more demos on the Mani Maniac.